How are you? I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School. Today we will learn using subtraction to compare and solve some story sums. On last day we have learned subtraction with regrouping and simple subtraction without regrouping. In this topic we will solve some story sums, and you can see there is an example. Toshi has 12 marbles and Tara has 10 visuals. Sorry, visuals. Who has more visuals? You can see here Toshi has 12 visuals and Tara has 10 visuals. Who has more visuals? First question is who has more visuals? You can see here that 12 is greater than 10. So Toshi has 12 visuals and Tara has 10 visuals. So Toshi has more visuals. And now you have to find how many more visuals does he have. Okay? In step 1, we will match Toshi's whistle with Tara's whistle. Toshi's whistle has 12 whistles and Tara has 10 whistles. So when we compare, there will be 2 remain to Toshi. So Toshi has more whistles because 12 is greater than 10. And how many more whistles does Toshi have? To find it, we will subtract 10 from 12, and when we subtract 12 is Toshi's whistle, Toshi whistle cell 12 whistles and Tara had 10 whistles. When we subtract 10 from 12, when we subtract 0 from 2 there will be 2, and when we subtract 1 from 1 there will be 1. So 2 more whistles Toshi have. Then Toshi has 2 more whistles than Tara. There is another example. Class 2nd we has planted 92 trees, and class 2nd she has planted 34 trees. Who has planted less tree? How many less trees? You can see here that 34 is smaller than 92. Okay, and 34 is, we can also say that 34 is less than 92. So second she has planted less trees. In step 2 we will find how many less trees second she has planted. We will subtract 34 from 92. When we 92 is trees planted by second B and 34 trees planted by second C. We subtract 34 by 92. We can't subtract 4 from 2, so we'll take borrow from 9 and there will be 12. Now we can subtract 4 from 12 easily. There will be 8, and of 9, 9 has given 2 1 borrows. So 9 will be 8. Now we can subtract 3 from it, there will be 5. So 58 less trees planted by second C. So class second C has planted 58 less trees. Okay. Now we will see some examples, solve some questions. There are some questions. You have to solve these sums. You can see here first question is the entry ticket to a zoo costs rupees 15 and an entry ticket for a magic show costs rupees 82. Which costs less, a ticket to the zoo or ticket to the magic show? How much less does it cost? You can see here the entry ticket to a zoo costs rupees 15 and the entry ticket for a magic show costs 82. Which costs less? We can see here that entry ticket to a zoo costs less because it has 15, and the entry ticket for a magic show is 82, and 15 is less than 82. A ticket to the zoo or ticket to the magic show, how much less does it cost? When we subtract it, because we know that 15 is smaller than 82, so we will subtract 15 from 82. When we subtract 82, what is 82? 82 is cost of a ticket to the magic show, and 15 is cost of a ticket to the zoo. It's okay. When we subtract 5, we can't subtract 5 from 2, so we'll take borrow from 8 and there will be 12. Now we can subtract 5 from 12, there will be 7, and on the place of 8 there will be 7. So when we subtract 1 from 7 there will be 6. So you can see that 67. We find 67 on subtracting 15 from 82. We have find 67. So we can write it a ticket to the zoo cost rupees 67 less. A ticket to the zoo cost 67 rupees 67 less. Okay. Now second question is Sid baked 12 cookies on Sunday and 14 cookies on Monday. How many more cookies did he bake on Monday? You can see here that Sid baked 12 cookies on Sunday. On Sunday, Sid baked 12 cookies, and on Monday, Sid baked 14 cookies. Okay, how many more cookies did he bake on Monday? So you have to find how many more cookies did he bake on Monday. So 14 is greater than 12. So you will write 14 on upper side and 12 on lower side. And 14 is baked cookies on Monday. Okay, and 12 is baked cookies on Sunday. When we subtract 12 from 14, there will be, when we subtract 2 from 4, there will be 2, and when we subtract 1 from 1, there will be 1. So there are 2 cookies. So we can write it, Sid baked 2 more cookies on Monday. Okay. Now third question is, Uncle Ravi's shop has 38 red t-shirt and 29 purple t-shirt. Okay, which color t-shirt are more red or purple? You can see here that 36 t-shirt are red and 29 t-shirts are purple. Which color t-shirt are more red or purple? How many more? You can see here that red t-shirt 36, number of red t-shirt is 36. Okay, and number of red t-shirt is 36 and number of purple t-shirt is 29. We can see here that 29 is less than 36. So purple t-shirt has how many more? First question is, which color t-shirt are more red or purple? So 36 is greater than 29. So we can say that red t-shirt are more than purple t-shirt. And we have also find how many more. Then we will subtract 29 from 36. And when we can't subtract 9 from 6, so we will take 0 from 3 and there will be 16. Now 16 we can subtract 9 from 16. There will be 7. And here will be 2. Now when we subtract 2 from 2, there will be 0. Okay, so 7 t-shirts are, you have to write which t-shirt? Purple t-shirt. Purple t-shirt are 7 more than red t-shirt. Okay, in answer you will write purple t-shirts are 7 more than red t-shirt. Okay. Now question 4, there are 30 lilies, 24 lilies are white. How many lilies are not white? There is a question, there are 30 lilies. Number of total lilies are 30 and there are 24 lilies are white. Okay, how many lilies are not white? So you have to find how many lilies are not white. That means 24 lilies are also white, and there are how many lilies are not white? There are 30 lilies. Total lilies 30 and white lilies 24. Okay, and when we subtract 24 from 13, we can find that how many lilies are not white. When we subtract 4, we can't subtract 4 from 0, and we will take 0 from 3 and there will be 10. So 4 minus 10, there will be 6, and here will be 2, and 2 minus 2, there will be 0. So our answer is 6 lilies. Okay, so we will write 6 lilies are not white. Okay, thank you.